Give out your contact information also, before we go any further, so that people who are interested in learning more about your program, and maybe they can visit your place, and maybe they can also visit our YouTube video and get a whole lot of information about IQ learning.
We are located at 3685 Highway 6 South,
Yeah.
Sugarland, Texas 77478. Our contact number is 832-387-6250, and our website www.iq-learning.com.
Okay, let's talk about how many students are in a typical group training session.
Maximum 4 students in a group. We
Oh,
do
is it?
not believe in
Oh, I was
creating-
thinking like there's some of the schools where they have like 20, 30 students.
No, then it becomes, defeats
Oh, I
the
see.
purpose again.
Yeah.
So 4 students maximum.
Is that right? Oh, that's very important information.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, let's talk about how do you go about making the students understand the concepts versus just memorizing the answers.
Yes. Our tutors are
Yeah.
trained to present a topic from 2 or 3 different approaches.
I see. Yeah.
Some students like a particular approach, some students like another approach.
Yeah.
So if the student is not understanding, we always encourage the tutors to present it in a different way
Yeah.
and make him solve the problems on the board to make sure
Oh, I
that the
see.
student is really understanding every step that he's doing. Plus, we do not encourage multiple choice questions because there most of the time they're guessing. What we do is show the steps on the board. Is he understanding or is he not understanding? If he's not understanding, what is the best alternative approach? So we try different approaches to a given topic at any time.
That's fascinating. This is the first time where I have heard a student is called to the board and okay, explain this a little more because this is where you are putting him in the driver's seat and say, okay, you have to answer this question. Now show us how you do it, and we'll show you where you're faulting. So explain this a little bit more so that the parents can understand how your approach is different from the other schools.
See, what happens typically when
Yeah.
a student is in a tutoring session is student is across the table
That's
with a
right, yeah.
teacher and the teacher is just explaining things, writing on the new paper and then leaving the student to write on his paper.
Yeah.
But there is no magnifying glass where anybody can see what the student is doing.
That's true. Yeah.
The only way to do that is to put him on the board. I can watch a board from a distance of 20 feet. So there, when he's on the board, he's very conscious of doing things
That's right. Yeah.
and he's not isolated in a corner and scribbling on a notebook paper. So on the board,
Yeah.
all his faults are magnified as well as his strengths. And that's how, if he makes a mistake, we all know about it and we can correct him immediately. Next time, he never ever makes that mistake once he makes a mistake on the whiteboard.
This is absolutely fascinating because I've done masters in healthcare and all this, but I've never seen this concept. Because let's take, for example, if somebody has math with 8 or 10 steps, and you have him write down each step, and then you can identify what step maybe he's not doing correctly, and then pointing out there rather than saying, okay, you sit at your desk, I don't know what you're doing.
And at the end of it, the student
Yeah.
teacher just checks the answers when he's doing on a desk.
that's right.
He does not know what steps he's
Yeah,
doing.
he'll just copy from his friend because he wants to get out of the classroom.
So what we make sure you do it on the board and be confident that you are the one who has done.
That's right, because
That's
he
the
has
whole-
to do it.
He
Sitting
has
in the
to.
exam hall,
And-
there's going to be no teacher.
And take it from me, Dr. Nikam, that student very soon starts teaching the other student, look, this is
That's
what I
right.
did.
Yeah. Plus, I think it gives them self-confidence also.
Yes.
Because when you bring them to the stage, it is a totally different ball game compared to sitting in the back of the classroom.
That's exactly so. And that's what we say. And
Yeah.
that's the first step in building the self-confidence in a student.
I see. Ladies and gentlemen, you are listening to All India Radio Houston. We are talking about IQ learning, and my special guest is Dr. Sugoto Chakravarti, and he is the what I should say, the pioneer who started this IQ learning school, and it's located right here in Sugarland. And okay, let's talk about some of your faculty members. What is their background, and how many faculty members do you all have?
Right now we have about 12 And what we believe in is
Yeah.
that students are the best teachers if the students are very good in their subject
Yeah.
and they are very good communicators.
Yeah.
So for the junior levels, we have high school seniors who tutor the junior
Is that?
levels.
Yeah.
Then we have college students who are tutoring the high school, and then we have university level faculty who are teaching the senior subjects.
See,
So we
that's
ha-
fascinating because you said right from day one, you're teaching them how to be standing next to the teacher in solving the problem. So, yeah, so that's unique, and that's the true approach to make somebody who is proficient. Like you said, I can't read a textbook and become a doctor.
Exactly so. And very soon, the
Yeah.
student himself becomes a teacher once
That's
he
right.
starts writing on the blackboard every day. So that's the whole aim of. And then he's so confident in his subject that even if you wake him up in his sleep and ask him how to solve this
Yeah.
problem, he does it.
Okay.
So
That's fascinating, ladies and gentlemen. You are listening to All India Radio Houston. I am Dr. Nick Nickham. And if you have any questions for your children or for yourself about IQ learning, the number to call here is 281-745-4161. And we are talking about IQ learning, a whole new concept to learning and solving problems at various school grade levels and all the way up to college. So, up to what grade do you teach, and what other future plans do you all have?
Well, we are teaching right up to the college level, first year,
Is it? Uh-huh.
and our future plans are to build up a proper school and a college if possible.
Yeah.
That's what we are looking at. Another point which I would like to mention here is
Yeah.
that we do offer courses, prepare programs
Yeah.
for the SAT and ACT.
Yeah.
But again, our principle is the same. We are not just asking them to solve those questions and go away.
Yeah.
We are explaining the fundamentals of each and every approach,
Yeah.
each and every test, and then every question that they attempt is discussed at length
Yeah.
to make them aware of what is the best way to solve the question.
That's fascinating. So, you talked about this core concept, and do you have any other approaches that are different from other teaching modalities?
Yes.
Yeah.
The thing is that we do not just ask him to bring a set of questions and solve them and go
Yeah.
home. We are always telling them what is the underlying principles and
Yeah.
the concepts behind each and everything that they are learning. So that is the
Yeah.
and then we make them practice on each and every
I see,
concept
yeah.
over and over again.
So, do they have a lot of homework, and what kind of homework they have, and how is it different?
We give them a lot of homework.
Yes,
First thing is we give them a lot of homework where they need it.
I see. Yeah.
The topics that they are very comfortable with, there is no point in burdening them with the homework. We always focus on where they need the maximum amount of
see.
encouragement and
Yeah.
help. So we give them problems depending on their individual status.
Yeah.
And this happens even in a group situation.
I see. Yeah.
So students are always busy doing either the classwork or the homework.
I see.
for
Yeah.
IQ learning.
Oh, that's fascinating. Ladies and gentlemen, you are listening to All India Radio Houston, and we are talking about IQ learning. My special guest is Sugoto Chakravarti, and we are talking about a unique concept. And this IQ learning is located right here in Sugarland. And okay, now we covered all the basic concepts which are different from all other institutions. Let's talk about some of the real core topics that you cover, because at the end of the day, they still have to pass their SAT and ACT tests to get into the college, or get MCAT to get into the medical school, things like that. So, let's talk about some of these test preparation courses, and how do you approach them compared to other teaching modalities?
Yes, we have SAT, ACT
Yeah.
and all of this, and the good thing is this is a one place where the student comes in with all his needs for the whole year. We
I
take
see.
care
Yeah.
of it. You don't have to go to different places.
Yeah.
The parents are taken care of, the student is taken care of. So in SAT, for example, the first thing we do is explain all the. See, we have identified the core areas in SAT which need to be covered.
I see. Yeah.
So we give them lectures
I
on
see.
that first,
Yeah.
and then they keep on solving problems
I see.
in a supervised environment.
Yeah.
So every student that solves a problem is actually discussing the problem with the tutor
I see.
after he solves it. Every time.
I see. Yeah.
So next time if I give the same set of questions after 3 days, he will remember, oh, I have done this problem.
I see. Yeah.
Otherwise, if he does not discuss, he will never remember that kind of problem. So effectively, instead of practicing on your own, which takes about 10 days, in one day you can do 10 days work if you are with a good teacher.
That's fascinating.
That's the whole concept.
Yeah.
And we apply the same principle to SAT, ACT, all test preps.
I see. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's talk about what are your working hours, and do you work on weekends and during summer?
Yes, we do have, we are open 7 days a week.
Yeah.
Working hours are Monday through Friday, 3 to 9,
I see. Yeah.
3 p.m. to 9 p.m. and on weekdays it is 11 a.m. to 6 p.m.
I mean weekends.
I mean, sorry, weekends,
Yeah.
Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
I don't want them to skip
Yes.
classes.
Yes, thank you. And
Yeah.
then on summers, yes,
Yes.
a very important part of our training are the students who are already applauded in school.
Yeah.
They find the school curriculum very boring.
Yeah.
We carry out advancement courses during the summer vacation and winter vacation where they are prepared ahead of their time before they start
For
the
the next
next session.
class level.
Yes.
I see.
So,
Yeah.
and we are giving
Yeah.
constant lectures during the vacation so that they are always ready for the next one.
That's fascinating. Ladies and gentlemen, you are listening to All India Radio Houston, and we are talking about IQ learning. And my special guest is Dr. Suboto Chakravarti, who is the inventor of this IQ learning, which is located right here in Sugar Land, Texas. Let's give out your contact information, and then we'll proceed to a couple of more questions. We got another 3-4 minutes left.
3685 Highway 6 South, Sugar
Yeah.
Land, Texas 77478, and our phone number 832-387-6250.
You know, both students and parents are always looking at metrics. Your concept appears to be good, and all these things are fine. How have the students fared before and after the
Very
training?
good question and very practical.
Yes.
98% of our students
Yes.
have shown at least one grade level improvement within 48 hours
I see.
of
Yeah.
our sessions. In SAT, almost every student has shown 300 plus points improvement
I see. Yeah.
in comparison to what he or she scored in the assessment test
Yeah.
when he first came in. And for every student, the good thing is the final test that he scores that he receives at IQ is very close to what he actually gets in the SAT exam.
SAT real exam. Yeah.
In fact, this year,
Yeah.
one student scored 2310 out of 2400
Yeah.
in his actual SAT exam after he took our complete
I
SAT
see.
package.
Yeah.
When he came in a few months ago back,
I see.
he was scoring 1600.
That's a pretty big jump.
And I can read out the testimonial which he has given him.
Yeah.
Because of Professor Sugoto, my overall SAT scores increased by more than 500 points.
Yeah.
And I became one of the top AP Physics B students in my school. Professor Sugoto went beyond making sure I understood the subject and helped me overcome the difficult points time. And he guided us with the college, and I got into UPenn Wharton Business School program.
Yeah.
And Professor Sugoto did more than just teach, and I thank my uncles for connecting us to Professor Sugoto because
That's
before
fascinating.
this-
That's a testimony which is talking about not only you're preparing them for a test, but you prepared him as an adult about the whole concept of learning.
That is the whole
Because
thing.
this is something he can apply not only to SAT, now for all his future subjects and careers.
Because the student comes and says, how do I write the essay?
Yeah.
How do I fill up this? So we
Yeah.
always tell them all that. I can read out one more.
Okay,
two
let's.
more-
I
Yes.
think we got a couple of minutes left. Let's
Yes.
talk about, from a parent point of view, pricing structure
Yes.
for these courses.
We give the best price to performance ratio.
Yeah.
So see, for example,
Yeah.
I know the market charges, let's say X dollars per
Yes.
hour on a one-on-one setting for SAT.
Yes.
We charge X by 3.
One third even.
1/3.
That's fascinating. Yeah.
So they will always get the best
Yeah.
value, and every time they come in, if they have any difficulty, they want to reschedule, we do all that without charging anything extra.
Okay. So all your